some great minds. One show. Ahmedabad Rising. Exclusively on FM 95 Radio 1.
100% retro. Happy mornings is what you're listening to on FM 95 Radio 1. तुम्हारी साथ हूँ आरती AATI. We have with us in the studio the founder of Riderney Club in Ahmedabad. जैसे बाइकर्स का क्लब होता है, बाइकर्स लड़के जो हैं उनके तो बहुत सारे क्लब्स थे, अलग अलग बाइक का भी था, एक रॉयल एनफील्ड का है, एक जनरल बाइकर्स क्लब है, लेकिन लड़कियों का अलग से ऐसा कोई क्लब नहीं था. तो अंजलि राजन ने सोचा कि भाई why should boys have all the fun, and now she has a gang of 20 Riderneys who not only ride these bikes for long tours, they also know how to repair a bike. My God, yes. That has always fascinated me. कि एक लड़की बैठी है पूरा बाइक वाइक खोल के और रिप्लेस किए जा रहे. You guys had a workshop also, right?
Yeah, the workshop was conducted by Royal Ridos under Kaustubh's heading.
That is the Royal Enfield.
Royal Enfield dealer,
right.
Royal Enfield dealer, and yes, we have been invited. We were invited, and we were able to understand how to remove a clutch wire and brake wire, and plus puncture का कुछ कैसे निकालने का एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, ऑल द बेसिक थिंग्स. अगर राइडरीज में कोई इंजन का प्रॉब्लम वगैरह हो, देन वी वोंट एक्चुअली टेक आउट द इंजन एंड रिपेयर इट. बट स्टिल वन गुड थिंग इज दैट वी आर अवेयर अबाउट इट. एटलीस्ट अगर इन केस राइडिंग में ऐसे लॉन्ग जर्नीज में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुए एंड देयर इज नो हेल्प, क्या करने का,
some basic
things.
Okay. And what kind of reactions do you get? Because I read that you guys have also sort of been in the city. You were riding together, all 16-20 of you, and you also go solo on long tours. So I'm sure you might be getting completely different reactions from a lot of people.
It depends. Completely different reactions. It depends on the places also. यहाँ पर ऐसा है कि everyone looks at us because all the 20 girls.
Attention तो मिलता ही है.
Attention इसलिए मिलता है कि see we ride on a pair on a particular group, दो या in two or in one lane, and plus with all jacket and helmet and all those things, riding in a speed of 50.
Doom 3 में जैसे दिखाते हैं, ऐसे पूरा सज धज के.
And riding like that.
You have your special boots also, right?
I have all my riding gears.
And you have that black leather jacket sort of costume.
Exactly. All the riding safety gears. That's all about. Yes, I have that. And then wearing helmet and going together. Everyone is like, oh, lot of girls on bike. That is a different thing.
Right.
So lot of heads up. Thumbs up they give us.
Wow, completely random strangers.
Random strangers giving up thumbs up. Random strangers, we are gathering somewhere and they just come by and ask, what is this? What is this all about?
They are some club, some activity.
या कुछ और है या प्रोफेशनल है कि आप लोग कुछ और है. कहाँ से आ रहे हो? ये अहमदाबाद से, ये गुजरात के रजिस्ट्रेशन है, बट अहमदाबाद से ये है कि कहीं और से है. And plus police, I mean traffic police, saying heads up. Wow, that's really good because we obey the rules and we are going together. And getting smiles from them is like wow.
And you guys are always wearing helmets, right?
Yeah, that's every time we ensure that. That is what we need to show to the society. It is not fun. It is actually, helmet is there for your safety.
So you're not promoting any stunts or anything like that. You're for road safety.
For road safety, this is right now for the road safety we are promoting.
And anybody who joins in has to sign and agree to always wear a helmet and
exactly
obey all the traffic
no
rules.
matter what they have to because it is not just police से बचने के लिए helmet पहनना पड़ता है. See again, 100 rupees 200 rupees helmet is not good for your head. Wearing a good safety one, it is for you. It is. I have seen many accidents reporting in newspapers.
Yeah, I'm sure you spend so many hours on roads also during
definitely
your tours.
वहाँ पर बहुत सारे देखा है कि without helmet they are having head injuries and all, and people do say it with helmet बहुत सारे head injuries होते हैं. Compared to the percentage कितना है उसके हिसाब से तो no it's not that, and they would be wearing a low quality helmet.
Right.
वो भी matter करते हैं. So definitely.
So biking is not all about fun, but you also take these things into consideration.
See, as I said, Aarti, like बाइकिंग में क्या है कि देयर इज नो फोर वॉल्स लाइक ड्राइविंग. ड्राइविंग में
गेटिंग इनटू अ कार,
या वहां पे सेफ्टी बेल्ट वगैरह होते हैं. राइडिंग में इट्स ऑल अबाउट यू आउटसाइड. यू हैव टू टेक केयर. ऐसा नहीं है कि यू जस्ट गो अहेड. पीपल कैन डू इट बट नॉट विद दिस क्लब.
नॉट विद दिस क्लब. सुपर. मोर डिटेल्स, मोर कॉन्वर्सेशंस विद अंजलि राजन ऑन अहमदाबाद राइजिंग. आप कहीं रहेगा नहीं. फिलहाल कभी कभी फिल्म से तेरे चेहरे से नजर नहीं हटती कमंगा.